Hello everyone, myself Miss Lokhande Vaijayanti Mahesh, B Farm, lecturer at Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sonai. Today we will going to discuss about chemotherapy of microbial disease. This is part 1 of my slide. The content of my slides are: first one, definition of chemotherapy and chemotherapy agent. Second, definition of bactericidal and bacteriostatic. Third, sulfonamide. Fourth, antitubercular agent. Fifth, antileprotic agent. Sixth, antifungal agent. Seventh, antiviral agent. Eight, anthelmintics. And last one, urinary antiseptic. First, we discuss about definition. First, chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is defined as use of chemical compound in the treatment of infectious disease so as to destroy microorganism without damaging host tissue. Next, chemotherapeutic agent. The agent which destroy or inhibit the growth of microorganism without damaging host tissue, known as chemotherapeutic agent. Next one, bactericidal. The agent which kill or destroy the microorganism called bactericidal agent. And last one, bacteriostatic. The agent which stop or prevent the growth of microorganism are called bacteriostatic. In that first we discuss sulfonamides. The antimicrobial compound containing sulfonamide group are called sulfonamides. They are classified are as follows: first class for systemic use and second class for GIT infection. In the first class there are three subclasses. First one, short acting sulfonamide. Example, sulfadazine and sulfacetamide. Second, intermediate acting sulfonamide. Example, sulfamethoxazole. Third one, long acting sulfonamide. Example, sulfamethoxypyridazine. And second class for GIT infection. Example, sulfaguanidine and succinyl sulfathiazole and sulfasalazine. Next one, mechanism of action of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide has structural similarities to para-aminobenzoic acid, that is PABA. Hence, it competes with PABA in bacterial metabolism. Folic acid derived from PABA is important in bacterial metabolism. Sulfonamide inhibit the enzyme folic acid synthesis, which is useful for conversion of PABA into folic acid. This causes folic acid deficiency, resulting in injury to bacterial cell, causing inhibit bacterial metabolism. Such an injured cell can be phagocytosized easily. Next one, adverse effect. In that first, intolerance. Intolerance include skin rash, toxic hepatitis, toxic nephritis and acute hemolytic anemia. Second, urinary toxicity includes renal irritation, obstruction in urine flow, hematuria, albuminuria and crystalluria. Third, hemopoietic system. Hemopoietic system include aplastic anemia, a granulocytosis and intravascular hemolysis. Next one, therapeutic uses. Therapeutic uses include first in urinary tract infection, next in acute bacillary dysentery, next in GIT infection, next in influenza, next in meningitis, next in meningococcal meningitis, next in conjunctivitis, and last one in rheumatoid arthritis. Next, antitubercular agent. Tuberculosis is a disease caused by an organism, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The drugs which are used in the treatment of tuberculosis are called antitubercular drugs. Classification include first one, primary drug or first line drug. Examples of that: isoniazid, rifampicin, ethambutol, streptomycin, pyrazinamide, and para-amino salicylic acid. Second class, that is secondary or second line drug. Example: kanamycin and capreomycin. In that we discuss isoniazid. Isoniazid, it is the most effective and cheapest anti-tubercular agent. Mechanism of action of isoniazid include following: it inhibits the enzyme essential for synthesis of mycobacterial cell wall. Isoniazid inhibit phospholipid synthesis and damage the membrane of tuber bacilli. It suppresses the formation of DNA and RNA and also inhibit various oxidative mechanisms. Next one, adverse effect of isoniazid includes peripheral neuritics, hepatotoxicity, anemia, convulsion, loss of memory, and loss of self-control. Latter one, therapeutic uses. It is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and in the treatment of meningitis. Latter one, preparation of anti-tubercular drugs. First, isoniazid tablet IP, dose 200 to 300 mg daily in a single dose. Next, rifampicin tablet IP, 10 mg per kg daily. Next one, we discuss anti-leprotic agents. Leprosy is caused by an organism, Mycobacterium leprae. The drugs which are used in the treatment of leprosy are called anti-leprotic agent. Classification of anti-leprotic agent include following classes. First one, sulfone. Example, dapsone and solazone. Second class, phenazyne derivatives. Example, clofazimine. Third class, antitubercular drug. Example, rifampicin and ethanolamide. And last one, long acting sulfonamide. Example, sulfadoxine. In that we discuss the example of dapsone. Dapsone, it is a diaminodiphenyl sulfone. It is the drug of choice in leprosy. Its mechanism of action same as of sulfonamide. That is, dapsone is a bacteriostatic as well as bactericidal in activity. Folic acid derived from PABA is important in bacterial metabolism. Dapsone inhibits the enzyme folic acid synthase, which is involved in the synthesis of folic acid from PABA and act as an antibacterial agent. Later one we discuss adverse effect. Adverse effect of dapsone include first one anorexia, nausea, vomiting, allergic reaction, dermatitis, drug fever, hematuria, methemoglobinemia, and liver damage. Next one, preparation of antileprotic drugs. Dapsone tablet IP in the dose 100 mg daily. Next one we discuss antifungal agent. These are the drugs which are used in the treatment of fungal infection are called antifungal agent. Fungal infection includes candidiasis, cryptococcus, and dermatophytic infection of skin, hair and nail. Classification of antifungal agent include first one, topical antifungal agent. Example, nystatin and hemacin. Second, systemic antifungal agent. Example, grisofulvin and amphotericin B. And third, official fatty acid. Example, undianic acid. Next one we discuss antiviral agent. The drugs which are used in the treatment of viral infection are called antiviral agent. Classification of antiviral agent include following classes. First one, drug interfering with nucleic acid synthesis. Example, idoxuridine and acyclovir. Second, thiosemicarbazones. Example, methazone. Third class natural substance. Example, interferon. And fourth class miscellaneous. Example, amantadine. Next, anthelmintic. The drug which are used in the treatment of worm infection are called anthelmintic. Example includes mebendazole, albendazole, thiabendazole, nicosamide and piperazine. In that we discuss following two concepts. First, germicidal or wormicidal. In that the drug which are used to kill or destroy the worms. Next, vermifuge or wormifuge means the drug which act on worms in such a way that they can be expelled out. Next one, ideal requirement of anthelmintic. First, it should have broad spectrum of action. Second, it should be free from toxic effects. Third, it should be palatable and cheap. Fourth one, it should not get absorbed. And last one, it should achieve a higher percentage of cure with a single dose. Last one, urinary antiseptic. In that the drug which are used in the treatment of urinary tract infection are called urinary antiseptic. These drugs have localized action in the kidney, urinary bladder and uterus. So they are called urinary antiseptic. Examples of urinary antiseptic include nalixic acid, methenamine, nitrofurantoin, furazolidic oxalic acid, and last ciprofloxacin. Thank you.